No, seriously, what are they doing?
You got a ton of eggs. Just make another egg. Now you're just rubbing it in.
There. Who's hungry for scorpion?
Oh. What happened to the egg and the bird?
We lost them. But when the bird stepped on me and pushed me into the ground, the scorpion grabbed a hold of me. And, one thing led to another. And here we are eating them. So win-win.
Not enough. Not enough. I need more.
I need more.
Oh, look at that. She's not gonna eat me, right?
You're too skinny. If she was gonna eat anyone, it would be...
Oh, she's locked her jaw! Hurry! Put the stick in her mouth!
Why are you rolling away?
I just want something to eat.
You have bug for dinner. Plenty of bug.
Please. I'll let you help me hunt.
Really?
She's gone without me. Don't wait on me. They're all over me. Tell my story.
Okay.
What do you call this?
A trap.
What does it do?
Well.
Ta-da!
How long have you been alone? So what do we do?
Ooh. How's your acting? You're good at this. No, sorry. No, okay. Oh, that's yours.
Your other arm.
That's
my arm, that's my...
Okay, I'm moving it. I'm all right. Going under.
Didn't step in your trappy thing.
Yeah, I know that.
Where's Eep?
She's awesome.
Eep!
Dad, no!
It's an avalanche of flavors.
Looks like we won't be having any leftovers.
What are leftovers?
You know, when you have so much food to eat, you have some left over.
Huh. We never have that much food.
Greg, how about a story?
That's a good idea. How about a story, huh?
Yeah, story. Tell us a story.
Once upon a time, there was a little tiger who lived in a cave with her family. There were a lot of rules, but the big, simple one was to never leave the cave at night. And the door was so heavy, you'd think it would be easy to remember.
So easy to remember.
I know. But while everyone was asleep, she went out anyway.
No!
Yes. And no sooner than she did, their cave was destroyed, and everyone had to go on this long, sucky walk with some weirdo they met and die.